Navneet and welcome to my channel Hope Shorts. तो जैसा कि हमें पता है that Valentine's week is round the corner, so I thought why not make a video on this. So here I present the 5 most romantic youth shows which you can't afford to miss. So what are we waiting for? But before starting this video, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it and comment your thoughts in the comment section. So let's get started.
होती है दिल से दिल की ट्यूनिंग जहां
वहीं शुरू होती है एवरग्रीन यारियां।
बाजों की होती है अलग रेस। एक म्यान में नहीं रह सकते लुई विटॉन और
We are open round the clock.
So do you wanna hear Fat Five Guy?
Friendship guy.
is the first youth show which you can't afford to miss. Like अभी हमने उसका प्रोमो देखा and I'm just in love with this show. To be honest, मैंने ये show around 5 to 6 times देखा है and this is one of the best, most romantic youth shows which you can't afford to miss. So this youth show started in 2014 and अभी तक it has 3 seasons and yes, all the fans are eagerly waiting for the 4th season and we hope that the 4th season really comes soon. The other thing is that अगर आपको real वाला प्यार देखना है, like if you want to experience the real fairy tale love story of Manik Malhotra and Nandini Murthy, then this is a must watch for you. Apart from this show has some of the most cool background music. This show basically has all the elements needed to make any show the most romantic one, like friendship, love, romance, breakup and cute fights. So this is a must watch for you. Now let's go over to the storyline of Kaisi Ye Yaariyan. Kaisi Ye Yaariyan start hota hai with the entry of our very famous, hot, cool, handsome dude Manik Malhotra, which is played by very own Parth Samanthan. We have the lead, which is Nandini Murthy, played by Neeti Taylor. So the story starts with Manik Malhotra and Nandini Murthy meeting together, and who knew कि ये दोनों का मिलना will turn into a cute romantic love story for everyone to watch. This love story में we will get to see how their angry fights turn into some cute fights and how our monster Manik and our cute sweet Nandini became Manan from Manik and Nandini. So I don't think you can afford to miss this show. The 2 reasons why Kaisi Ye Yaariyan is a must watch for everyone is first because of their love story. अगर आपको बहुत ही cute love story देखनी है तो I think you should definitely watch this show. Like every scene, every element of this is a must watch and you will get to witness some of the very beautiful scenes between the leads. Second reason which makes this show a must watch is the major friendship goals which it gives us. The characters of Kaisi Ye Yaariyan give us some major friendship goals. Let's move on to our second must watch youth romantic show.
Na na
miss is प्यार की ये एक कहानी. The cute love story of a vampire with a human being is a must watch. If you want to experience a show full of comedy, romance, love, then this show is a must watch for you. प्यार की ये एक कहानी was inspired from the famous Twilight saga, and if you are a die-hard fan of it, then this show is a must watch for you. So let's move on to the story of the show. The story of this show starts with 200-year-old vampire Abhay Rai Chand, which is played by Vivendi Sena, and the cute girl Pia. So, इनकी कहानी शुरू होती है when Pia moves to Dehradun and she meets Abhay. And yes, the Cupid strikes them. So, अगर आपको एक ऐसी स्टोरी देखनी है जिसमें a vampire falls in love with a human, so it's a must watch for you. The two reasons which make this show a must watch. First, the sizzling chemistry. The sizzling chemistry between the leads is one of the reasons why you should definitely watch this shows. Like the fans of Vivendi Sena and Sukirti are just head over heels over the roles played by them. Viven has beautifully portrayed the role of a vampire and Sukirti is nevertheless. So, अगर आपको ऐसा एक romantic show देखना है, so this is a must watch for you. And to be honest, मैंने ये show around 5-6 years पहले देखा, and I was just in love with their chemistry. Like they have portrayed each and every scene so beautifully. So अगर आपको ये show देखना है, you can just go over to Hotstar and you can watch it. The second reason which makes this show a must watch is the background music. The background music of this show is so beautiful. दिल इबादत करता है. Like आप एक बार सुनोगे ना तो आपका मन करेगा like you can just listen it over and over again. The song is so beautifully sung by the singer and everyone is just in love with the song. So what are you waiting for? Go and watch the show. Let's move on to the third show.
कूल हो समा कूल डू जहां और बजती गिटार वहां ड्रीम गर्ल्स वो दो लड़कियां चली सपने जहां
चल हो दिल में मिले जब हम तुम सुहाने वेदर में मिले जब हम तुम
कोई खिलाड़ी है यहाँ वो जाने जाना
कोई खिलाड़ी बेफिदा वो जाने जाना नो अकेले मिले जब हम तुम नजरों से खेले मिले जब हम
कोई समझे ना समझे
टकराए जब वो हमसे पे छुड़े गए से दिल के कसम से चल हो दिल में मिले जब हम तुम सुहाने वेदर में मिले जब हम तुम
मिले जब हम तुम is the third most romantic youth show which you can't afford to miss. This show was basically aired in 2008 and till now it has the same magic. Mile Jab Hum Tum brought back the cool memories of college life, the budding romance, the chemistry of Rati, Arjun, Sanaya and Mohit is a must watch for everyone. Also, if you want to see some of the cool elements like friendship, basketball, cool boys, hot girls, then this show is the must watch for you. One thing about the show is that Sanaya and Mohit met on the sets of Mile Jab Hum Tum and they got married. Now we will move on to the story of Mile Jab Hum Tum. Mile Jab Hum Tum revolves around the story of 6 college students and how their lives go around friendships, heartbreaks, romance and love. The main leads of the show, quiet and shy Kunchan, the cool, handsome hunk of the college, Simran, the intelligent Mayank and the bubbly Nupur make this show a must watch for everyone. So if you want to see all these things in one thing, then this is a must watch for you. The 2 things that make this show a must watch for everyone. First, full on college masti. So अगर आपको एक शो देखना है जिसमें it has everything, starting from basketballs to romance to friendship, so this show is a must watch for you. The second thing that makes this show a must watch is the love for the lifetime. Beautiful story of Nupur, Mayank, Gunjan and Samrat give us some major couple goals and the love for a lifetime.
So guys, this was the first part of the video and the second part will be live soon. So till then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to Hope Shots, like this video, share it and comment your thoughts in the comment section.